Good morning, TDOT. Lance McDonald here with the Safety Division, and today we are remote in Lebanon, Tennessee to visit with a member of the Safety Council and a good friend of mine, Matt Eakes. Matt, you want to say hi?
What's up, guys?
Matt is one of the tech seniors with the Wilson County Maintenance Office, and I asked him to join us today as we revisit a statewide initiative that was introduced last year. Many of you, especially our operations staff, remember the work planning workshops that were conducted last summer and fall. The Asset Management Division, Engineering Operations, and the OHS Division met with every maintenance tech senior and tech supervisor in each district to explain the new work planning program. This new program consists of 3 components: detailed planning of our work, a process for scheduling the work, and intentional daily communication to our maintenance crews. You know, I've seen Matt in action a few times, and I know he's a believer in the importance of effective communication with his staff. Because of how he conducts his morning briefings and the TDOT for Us daily checklist, the entire Wilson County staff experiences greater daily production, high quality work, and everyone is safer because they have discussed the day's plans and identified potential job site hazards.
Yep.
Matt, you care if we go watch you in action real quick?
Come on. All right, good morning, guys. We got a couple of things we're going to do today. The biggest one is going to be our potholes. We're going to run the Sparta Pike first. I go through what the plan of the day is. In most shops my size, we have, if we're fully staffed, we have 18 people. So I don't need 18 people doing potholes. So I take the most, I would say the hazardous work that we do, and that's when I use that list to the T and break down everything. Hayden, Ty, and Braden, and Chase, you'll be in 75. Hayden, you'll be in charge. Josh, you'll take 84. You'll be in the attenuator. With it being 50 miles an hour, be at least 4 to 5 skip lines back behind them. The biggest issue we have out there as far as hazards will be these cross streets like 265 and then 267. If you go down that far, make sure, Josh, when you're following them, that you don't let traffic cut in between you. Just using that checklist, it makes sure we don't miss anything, and that's the big thing. And when the checklist first came out, I noticed that we already do these kinds of things, and that checklist is there kind of like a fail-safe for me to say, hey, I covered this, I've covered the PPE, I've covered hazards. Another big thing, Ty, make sure no one's waving traffic around. If traffic wants to go around, that's on them, okay? Y'all stay in the road and don't wave them around, but you can't stop them if they decide to go around, all right? Make sure also, with 4 of you in the truck, at least 1 of you is watching traffic. It's great for new guys to take a look at the list when they get hired on, and they can see that, hey, this is what's expected, this is what we go over. But not only that, it gives power to the employees to know, they know every step of the way of what we're doing, and they're in the loop. Roland, Nick, Billy, and Colby, I want y'all working on our plow blades. Obviously, y'all have watched the weather. I've watched 3 different models. They show 3 different things. We'll find out something hopefully tomorrow, definite. If not, it'll change by Saturday comes. So just be ready. I don't think we would be as organized as we are now, which obviously we know as a maintenance supervisor, things change every day. Right. I can make a list. I'm thinking about things at home in my head of what we need to do the next day, but then I show up, and as soon as I check emails or take phone calls, that changes. But the good thing about that list is if I got it complete, I put it to the side and I can pull it off the shelf and go right back to it. So it just keeps me moving in the right direction, keeps our guys moving in the right direction to where we always have something on the table ready to be done. Any questions? Everybody good? All right, let's go to work.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Wilson County Maintenance Office in action as they got their day started this morning. Again, you know, I'm so impressed with how they conduct their business every single day with their morning briefings, and I want to encourage all of you to do the same. Have these discussions with your crews, and if you do, I guarantee you'll see higher production, greater quality work, and everybody's going to be well informed to make safe decisions so they make it home at the end of the day. So thanks for spending a little time with us this morning. Hope you have a fantastic week, and as always, remember your 4.